So the big green egg, I have a big green egg. I
Mhm.
love my big green egg, but people put them in different situations and setups.
Sure.
Okay, so what I want to talk about is the pro of cart versus nest versus built-in, and
Sure.
the different applications that people look at.
Sure. So the cart model, as you can see, you've got two side shelves. It's made to prep, cook, plate. Also, ease of use, space constraint, these drop down. If I'm buying a big green egg and I'm building a huge kitchen and pool with you and I want to cook today, it's value added. I can buy this cart model, take it home, and watch you as you build my pool.
Right. So the 9 months that I'm waiting on permits
That's
and
right.
construction, you can
That's
be
right.
eating good, with the cart.
Right. It's a nominal investment is what it is. So, but then we get to the build-in point. You can separate the hardware, take the egg off the nest and build it in to an outdoor kitchen.
Now, the pro of this also is a lot of times people with the outdoor kitchen want to keep the kitchen area clean,
Mhm.
or because people are sitting at a bar stool. So this
Right.
might be in a separate spot.
That's right.
So
That's right.
that
Good
would
point.
be the advantage. But what's the advantage of this versus a cart type setup?
Okay. So when you decide what direction you want to go, so after you buy the egg and you decide, it happens. Hey, I'm not going to really build this in. What's the value added vehicle? You buy a cart model. The cart models that we show is by Challenger Designs out of Indiana. This is an all aluminum cart here, and you can store all the accoutrements that go with egg. So just buying the egg itself, there's a lot of hard lines like rib racks, ash tools, charcoal. This becomes a mobility piece that you can serve to the table and chair. You can store your items inside of it, and it's all dry fitted.
Oh, so that's nice and clean inside.
It is.
Okay,
Yeah.
so I got a place that I can put my plate setter
right.
and my rib racks and all that stuff.
That's right.
Charcoal goes in there, so that's a nice setup.
Right. So
in
the plate
itself.
setter is for the old school egg guys that have had their egg a long time. Your new egg guys, your eggheads, they're called convectors. But if you've had your egg for a long time, like this guy and I have, it's called a plate setter is what we call it. It's what the original name was.
What do they call them now?
It's a convector is what it is.
Okay. Yeah.
Yes, that's for the Gen Zs. We're the OGs. So we call them plate setters.
Awesome. Well, I appreciate the information.
Yeah.